But if I was studying the properties of polonium-210, I wouldn't have to refer to the Quran, because that isn't evidence in terms of scientific evidence, because it's not measurable. It was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, but we can't. There's some science around the actual science of the Quran, but there's no. We wouldn't. A scientist wouldn't say, "Oh, I found this. Oh, and by the way, I'm using proof the fact that it's mentioned in the Quran," because that isn't the way scientific method works. And I don't think it would have been the way scientific method worked even in the years when there was that happy union between science and Islam. Although I think people would have opened their eye, Islamic scientists would have said, "Isn't that amazing, that awe and wonder, it's repeated in the Quran." But you couldn't use the Quran as proof, because that isn't the way science works.
والسماء ذات الحبك